When working with Excel 365, it's common to deal with large volumes of data. One useful technique is summarizing data to highlight the highest values, which can be important for performance comparisons, business analysis, or reward decisions. In this video, we'll focus on how to use a pivot table to identify the maximum value in a dataset. To start, suppose we want to find out which salesperson achieved the highest transaction value in a given month. Begin by inserting a pivot table from your dataset. Then, drag the field for salesperson names into the rows area so that each salesperson appears individually in the report. Next, to analyze the transaction values, drag the transaction amount field into the values section of the pivot table. By default, Excel will summarize this data using the sum function. However, since we are interested in the highest value, we need to change the summary function. Click on the value field settings and choose max instead of sum. Once this adjustment is made, the pivot table will display the highest transaction amount achieved by each salesperson. For example, you might see that Alice Nguyen has a maximum transaction value of 1 to 550. This same method can be applied to analyze data by other criteria. For instance, you can drag the region field into the rows section to compare the highest transaction value across different regions. The pivot table will then show the maximum value associated with each region, giving a quick overview of where the largest sales are occurring. Using the max summary function in a pivot table provides a fast and effective way to pinpoint top performances within your data. Whether you're analyzing staff, products, or regions, this approach helps you focus on the most significant results. This is a simple but powerful technique in Excel 365 to help you gain insights from your data by identifying maximum values efficiently.